No, it didn't start. Oh, wait.
Hello and welcome to Hump Diddly Ump Shit. Shh. I'm Blana King and I'm here to selling this new fantastic item.
It's a hamster.
You just pull the strap right up and you'll get to humping.
Great abs in an instant.
Look at that.
She's a cutie with a booty. I'm a cutie with a booty and a hottie with a body.
Ow, ow.
Let's go club it. Pull and release. Pull, release. You want to do extra work? Get a buddy pal right behind you. Pull, release. Pull, release. Bye now. Call 1-800-GET-LOST. Your mom.
This has been a paid presentation by